that overall law and order situation remains peaceful.
Ya ka ronggali bihu ka balong ka Jingleh Niam ka bakongsan jong ka Assam ka bihu ka day ka bala Rakhe ha Assam nalor ka Assam ka Jingleh Niam ya ka bihu la jupenlong ha ki Jingrakhe ki barit lani ki bahe ha ki weipat ki jilla jong ka than chatay la mingi ha Meghalaya ka balong ka way na ki jilla ka bahap ha ki por ki ba menshwa bat ka Assam la Rakhe ya ka bihu da ki nong shong shnong jong ka jilla Assam ki badon ha Meghalaya ya ka Jingleh Niam ya ka bihu la penlong halaban Bishnupur ha ka baki rangba ki kinthai ki samla bar ki khana ke le shimbenta ha ka ni ka jingshan
of Assamese community, and like many other communities, the Assamese also they celebrate Rangali Bihu throughout the state of Assam as well as other states. In fact, throughout the world, wherever the Assamese community is there, they are celebrating this Bihu. Here in Shillong, we are celebrating since 1956. It's very old during Assam time, and we have been celebrating for a long time. And this Bihu we started in Garrison Ground, then Lady Hadere Park. Like that, ultimately finally we are celebrating here.
Ka Indian National Congress